Introduction to Order of Operations and PEMDAS Rule. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is the order of operations in arithmetic expressions that contain only additions and divisions? 2. What is the order of operations in arithmetic expressions that contain only multiplications and divisions? 3. What is the order of priority in expressions containing powers and the 4 basic operations? 4. How do brackets affect the order of priority of arithmetic operations? 5. What is the PEMDAS rule? 6. What is the order of priority in expressions containing various types of brackets? 7. What is the sign of result in operations with negative numbers? 8. How do you calculate the result of powers of negative numbers? Introduction. Arithmetic expressions usually contain more than one operation, yet most of them contain all 5 basic operations, including raising in power. Therefore, we must know where to start when solving them, as not all operations have the same order of priority. In this tutorial, we will explain how to find the value of mathematical expressions, from the shortest to the longest and most complicated. This guide, therefore, will be a good base for future topics that include mathematical operations such as equations, inequalities, etc. That is all for Introduction to Order of Operations and PEMDAS Rule. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 1.4.1, Order of Operation in Arithmetic Expressions Containing Only Addition and Subtraction. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.